Hi guys, how are you? My name is Hassan watching a video. So today we are going to talk about a very good website which is actually for the programmers or the new programmers we can say. So in this website you can easily download a lot of programming books online in PDF format, and it's for free obviously, and you can visit this website by the name of the books.goalkicker.com. As you can see on the screen right now, we have a website opened here. So I just want to for example just want to give you a quick overview about this website. Here we go. So let's get started. So here on the screen you can see we have here the books.goldkicker.com, and the link is inside description. You can easily download this, and here we go. Very first website is very on the very first product we have here is actually .NET Framework. This is Notes from Professional, and it has nearly 100 plus pages. So you can easily download this. For downloading purpose, you just simply open the link in a new description, in a new tab, and after reading the description, and just go to the next one. And here on this option you can see right in beneath level here, which is the download PDF book. You can also see here we have different chapters name here. For example, from chapter 1 getting started, chapter 2 strings, data time parsing, dictionaries, collections, read only collections, and more, and also carry on. So the next is the download PDF book. So as I click on the download PDF book, it automatically downloads the book. No, even you don't have to complete any kind of survey or any other, like you don't have to like their Facebook page or any other. There's no restriction before downloading. So this video is, I just want to share with you this quick video. So I hope this video helps you a lot in learning from how you can easily download books. And let me share with you some more stuff, like you can also download Android books, algorithms, Angular, Bash, and also C language. C language is my favorite language because it's very basics and easy to understandable, and although C++ too. So here we have C sharp and also CSS, entity framework, Excel, VBA. As you may not know about the Excel VBA, it's actually a visual basic style. We can say in Excel you can automate bunch of different work in Excel, and to add more formulas. And also there we have a Git. So some of you may be interested in learning Git, so this is the best one for you. And also we have HTML5 and other languages. As you know, HTML5 is basically hypertext markup language. It's not a programming language, but it's a structural language, and it comes under the category of web programming. So that's why it is here. So I hope this tutorial helps you to learn how to download best books online for your programming. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Take care.